Hi, welcome to Made with Love by Daisy. This video is part of the Amigurumi series for this Elf on a Shelf. You can find the entire pattern here. For this pattern, I have used the following materials: 4-ply acrylic yarn in red, white, dark brown for the hair, and peach for the skin. I used about 25 grams of the red and 10 grams of the peach. I used less than 5 grams of the white and the brown. I'll be using a 3mm hook along with this. For this size, I have used 8mm doll eyes. You may use a different size if you wish. Wires are optional. I have used some 20 gauge bare copper wire. For one doll, you will need 2 pieces, one 25-inch piece and a 12-inch piece. And of course, other than this, you will need some doll stuffing, a yarn needle, and a pair of scissors. And in case you decide to use the wire, you would also need wire cutters. I'll leave the link for all these items in the description box. This pattern is available for free on my channel. If you like this pattern, do consider purchasing the PDF pattern from my Ravelry store. It will help me make more free patterns. In this part, I will be making the arms and the legs. Let's begin with the arms. Begin with the white. In a magic circle, make 6 single crochet. If you've never made a magic circle before, or if you do not know the basics of amigurumi, do check out this playlist where I go through the basics of amigurumi step by step. Close that magic ring. Row 2 will be as follows. Make 1 single crochet in each of the next 2 single crochet. 1 and 2. Then make an increase in the 3rd single crochet. So 2 single crochet in the same stitch. Gonna repeat that one more time. So 1, 2, and increase. So you should have 8 stitches at the end of row 2. The next 2 rows are even rows, so just make 1 stitch in each stitch. I've completed 2 even rows. The next row is going to be a decrease row. Make 1 single crochet in each of the next 2 single crochet. So that's 1 and 2, and make a decrease over the next 2 single crochet. And you're going to repeat that one more time. So 1, 2, and decrease. This will be the last stitch that we make with the white. So before finishing this stitch, I'm going to switch to red. So just yarn over, pull through and finish that last stitch. You can now fasten off the white. After this, we will just be making even rows. So just continue making one stitch in each stitch. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. I'm just gonna add this stitch marker so that it's easier for me to count my stitches. You want to make 2 arms, so here's one that I've already made. So here's the glove or the hand, and then you've got 23 rows in red. We need a total of 23 rows in red. I've already made one. I'm going to go off camera and finish the remaining 22 rows. If you are enjoying this video, hit that like button, just subscribe to my channel, and don't forget that little notification bell so that you do not miss any new content. We can now begin with the legs. Starting with the red, in a magic circle, make 5 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We can close the ring now. I'm placing a stitch marker so that it'll be easy for me to count my rows. Row 2 is going to be an increase row. We will be making 1 single crochet increase in each single crochet. So that means we'll be making 2 SC in each single crochet. One and 2. One and 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. We should have 10 stitches at the end of row 2. Let me bring my stitch marker to the front. So after this, the rest of the leg is just worked in even rows, which means you make 1 stitch in each stitch. So we want to continue working for a total of 40 rows. So we've already made 2 rows here. We need to make 38 even rows. So this is how your leg should look after you've finished. So I'm going to go off camera, finish this leg, and then I will come and meet you. I finished both the legs. So as you can see,